everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a beautiful bracelet using the newest Softlex company design kit, Surf's Up? And I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description if this kit is still available, as well as a tutorial playlist for all other creations I created with the design kit. So for this project, we will need our Softlex wire and beautiful fluorite that came in the kit, the exclusive 3 millimeter check glass beads, these beautiful barrel beads. You will need some jump rings, a lobster claw or a clasp of your choice, and two 2x2s. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for more bracelet inspiration tutorials. Let's start creating. So for this bracelet, you are going to need a lot of soft flex wire, about 28 inches. And I know that may seem like a lot, but just because of the technique that we're doing with these beads, it just kind of passes through a couple times. So you'll need some extra soft flex. Let's start creating. We're going to add one of our 2x2s on. With the opposite side of soft flex, we're just going to do a little crisscross. And we're just going to slide it all the way down. So it's going to create a little loop or a connection point. It's up to you how big or small you'd like it to be. We're going to take our pliers and just give it a squish. This is going to flatten our 2x2 and keep everything nice and secure. Now with my 2x2s, normally I will round them. It just gives it a more professional finish. But due to the placement of the beads for this project, it's okay to just flatten it. So we're going to add three 3 millimeter glass beads to each side of the soft flex wire. We're going to take our wooden bead, similar to the 2x2, we're just going to slide it on one side of the soft flex. On the opposite side, we're just going to pass back through and give it a pull. It's okay if it curls a little bit, it will straighten out. So it should look like that. And then we're just going to keep doing the same thing and adding on the wood beads. So slide on one side and crisscross. And these do have a large hole, so you might be able to get like 4 or 5 strands of soft flex wire through it. And what's really cool with the design is you're going to be able to see your soft flex wire through it. So that's what I love about soft flex wire is it comes in so many different colors, so you can really incorporate it into your design. If you wanted to, you could add another little bead or some seed beads, but I'm just going to let the soft flex wire show in my design. So we're just going to keep adding on our beads until we reach the desired length for our bracelet. And give it a pull. As you can see, it's going to start to curl. This is perfectly normal. When you have about 7 of them on, it'll start to straighten out. I had the original idea to add these wooden beads for the whole bracelet, but then I have these little beautiful check glass shells, and I wanted to add some sparkle into my design, so I'm going to add that to the back of my bracelet. I have the base of our bracelet. Now we're just going to add the rest of the beads to this side. So we're going to add our 3 millimeter check glass on each side. And if you didn't have this kit, you can do this project with any beads that you have, as long as the beads in the center will pass through 2 medium soft flex wires. We're going to add on our 2x2, slide it onto one side, and then we're just going to pass back through. And for a soft flex 2x2, it will hold 3 of the medium soft flex wires. So that's what allows us to do this little design. So we're just going to go ahead and pull it and make sure everything is nice and secure. You can tell how it kind of straightened out in the design. And I just love how the soft flex wire is showing. So if you wanted to kind of make this into a charm bracelet, you could add little embellishments to it. So super fun. But you can see how it kind of looks like a little surfboard. So on the longer piece of soft flex wire, we are just going to pass back through our 2x2. And sometimes this can be a little tricky and things want to loosen, but we'll tighten them up and make adjustments in just a moment. So we have our little circle, and we want to make sure that it's fairly the same size as the other side. Once we have everything secure, we're going to just take our pliers and just give it a squeeze. We're going to trim off any extra soft flex. And as I mentioned before, make sure you save your extra soft flex. You can always use it for a future project. We have our beautiful little surfboard or a bracelet. We're just going to set that off to the side. We're going to add in our two little check glass shells and two eye pins. And I'm going to be making my loops on a one-step looper. You can also make your connection points out of soft flex wire as well. So we're just going to slide our little eye pins into our tool and give it a squeeze. And we have our perfect loop. And then I like to take my round nose pliers and just make sure that my loops are completely closed. I don't want to lose my little embellishments. And now we're going to bring in our jump rings and our clasp. So we're going to open up our jump ring and attach it to one side of our soft flex wire. And then we're going to add on our little shell. Give it a close, and when you close a jump ring, you should hear a little click. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And close. Then we're going to add another jump ring and attach it to the other side of the shell. And then we're going to attach our clasp. And I'm using the lobster claw that came in the kit. If you are using a two-part clasp, such as a toggle, you would just attach one of each side to the little shell charm. And I'm just going to add a few more jump rings on this side just to extend the length of my bracelet, or if you want to add like a made with love charm or another little shell at the end, just as a cute little embellishment, you can. But we have our beautiful bracelet using the newest Softlex Company design kit, Surfs Up, with our beautiful fluorite wire and our wooden beads and our beautiful check glass and seashells. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for more tutorials featuring this awesome design kit